So my name is Larisa Aragon Castro and I'm living in Switzerland. I'm from Mexico.
My name is McGrath, I'm from Ireland.
Hello, my name is Isabel and I'm from Portugal.
Clarinda, Cerejo, I'm from India.
Well, actually I'm very passionate about and I'm a strong advocate for women's health. So I love to work with patients, empowering us, one another, and collaborate and grow together.
I wanted to learn more about the whole process of medicine's development. I work in the industry. I'm from an academic and clinical background, but I soon realised how much I didn't know about the entire complex process.
Well, first the program was introduced by NFPO, that's the association of my health condition. I have a rare disease called neurofibromatosis, and they showed me the program because I did some patient representative or a patient, I'm forgetting the name, but it's like speaking the name of the patient. So when I saw the program, and thank God they sponsor it, I just grabbed this opportunity to be someone's voice, or to be a community voice, because I know from personal experience that we live a side of society leading with judgmental and stigma and stereotypes, so it's hurtful, and even the doctors don't know my condition, many of them. I think it's rare, but it's not that rare. That doesn't justify this lack of information, so it is a big motivation to enroll the program.
So I live with a rare disease called neuromyelitis optica spectrum disorder, and I have a science communication background, and about a year ago I was introspecting where I wanted to go with my career, and it just made sense for me to marry my science communication background with my lived experience. And so I had a lot of connections with people from EUPATI on LinkedIn, and that's how I heard about it. And then when I checked it out, it just seemed so comprehensive and like the program to do if you want to work in this space. So it just made sense for me to go ahead and do that.
So in these 3 days so far, I love the exchange between us, between the patient representatives and the different stakeholders, and I love to see kind of the eyes and the sparkling eyes, or what do you call it, like illuminating faces when we all learn insights from each other, and also find ways to improve things, because at the end it's for us it's really about challenging the status quo and improving the healthcare.
First of all, is the faculty are excellent, and they come from different backgrounds and have a lot of expertise, and it's great to see things from different perspectives. Secondly, EUPATI have been fantastic in terms of support and encouragement and facilitating learning. And finally, and perhaps the highlight, would be my fellow learners who have been extremely generous and supportive, and I've learned a lot from people, like-minded people who are trying to do similar work, and we're all exchanging information and stories and learning from one another.
I think it's the networking. It's a lot of people from everywhere, and it's amazing to see that we share a lot of things together, and as a community we can grow, and I really, really love this enrichment apart from the knowledge.
So this in-person meeting, I think that's been amazing. I'm a very social person, and I missed that in-person interaction, I think, through the course, even though the course itself was great. But this, I feel a very unique sense of kinship with this group, because I've been to several conferences, and I have this professional avatar. But here it's okay to say that I'm feeling tired, or it's okay to say that I just need a break, or it's okay to say I'm not feeling quite well, and people get it. And that's not very common in professional settings usually, so I love this.
We really went into many detailed discussions, scientific in-depth discussions, and I'm very surprised about the knowledge, of course, and the experience that everyone here brings, and the unique perspectives. experiences are so important to listen and to understand.
The various different backgrounds of the faculty, the different stakeholders involved in the entire process, how everyone ultimately wants the same goal but are coming at it from different perspectives, and it's about finding the common ground, I think, and working together to achieve that goal.
I think how comprehensive it was, because I have a science communication background and have worked associated with research and development. I thought I'd have an advantage, and I thought that it should be a breeze, but it was not. It was very intensive. It was a lot of hours of learning. It was so much new learning that I would never have been exposed to, and I mean, I even wonder if people working in pharma have as in-depth a training experience as we've had through this program. I'm sure that they get it on the job, but just in terms of sitting down and learning everything there is to learn about medicine development, this was amazing.
I would love to continue working with research teams as I do today. Bring, of course, our patient experience and perspective to every single aspect during the life cycle of the medicines.
I've already started because fortunately in my disease area there's been a huge increase in interest, and I'm already working with healthcare professionals, academic, clinical researchers and with industry, and I've started learning or using the learning from day one, and I will continue using this. Interest is growing in our disease area, which is great news for us, and we'll get to learn on the job and incorporate the experience.
Well, I hope to do some work as a patient representative or as a psychologist in the investigation field, because I'm also a psychologist. Well, getting my certificate in my country, so it's just a little step, but I want to do a lot of things, and I hope to be something useful to the society, especially people with my condition in my country or everywhere in the world.
I'm hoping to have lots of opportunities to work in patient advocacy, to bring my own background and experience, this learning, and my patient experience to just influence change, to meet more people who can influence change, and I'm sure that there'll be things that I'll be applying from the program every day without even realizing it, because it's just made me so much more aware of how things work. So I think just conversations with people in the industry are going to be much easier now.
Absolutely. I think this is a must for everyone who would like to get involved in this continuum of care. It provides you with very important abilities and capabilities to talk at the same eye level with researchers, healthcare teams, and also to other patient experts.
I'd highly recommend this training to everyone. Within our organisation, a colleague has already signed up and will be here this time next year, hopefully, and we hope to keep one person in per year for the future.
Of course, yes, 100% yes. It's almost a year and it's too demanding, and we have to do a lot of reading, a lot of writing, and it is exhausting, but at the same time it's amazing because we learn a lot of things about many areas of expertise in the health field.
100% I would. Everybody involved in patient advocacy in any way, I think, should take it. You'd really benefit from